Currently, all our files or modules are in this folder. But as our application grows, we probably want to organize these files into subdirectories. Otherwise, we'll end up with hundreds or even thousands of Python files or Python modules in one folder. That is not good. So in this demo, I want to move this sales module to a subdirectory called e-commerce. So I'm going to add a new subdirectory, e-commerce, and then drag and drop this module right here. Now back to app.py. You can see we have a red underline here because Python cannot find the sales module. To fix this issue, we should come back to our e-commerce folder and add a new file called _init__.py. When we add this file here, Python would treat the e-commerce folder as a package. So a package is a container for one or more modules. In file system terms, a package is mapped to a directory and a module is mapped to a file. So now we can go back to app.py and prefix the name of this module with the name of its package. That is ecommerce.sales. Save the changes. The error is gone. Now to use any of the objects in the sales module, we need to prefix them with the name of their package and module. So ecommerce.sales.calculate_tax. Obviously, this is going to make our code a little bit noisy because every time we want to use one of the objects in the sales module, we'll have to type ecommerce.sales. That is tedious. A better approach is to use the from statement. So we change this to from ecommerce.sales import calculate tax. Now we can simply call this function like a function defined in app module. That is better. But what if we want to use multiple objects in the sales module? Well, we can list them all here. But if that ends up being too noisy, we can take a different approach. So we can type from ecommerce import sales. So we're importing the sales module as an object, and then we can use the dot operator to access all the members of this module.